Last week on Three Things Live, we discovered that Scrappy's where it's at.
That's right. And we reported on our recent trip to the Sew Expo in Puyallup, Washington. We showed you how to make some super fun St. Patrick's Day decor, how to spruce up your attire, adding a ribbon star, and creative ways to use a curved log cabin ruler.
You know what makes this so amazing is that you probably already have all you need at home to make these things.
Oh, that makes sense. People still don't know about all the amazing things they're missing on Three Things Live.
Don't let that be you. See all this and more by watching every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday live on YouTube and Facebook at 1 p.m. Mountain and 3 p.m. Eastern. Also, you can catch up on what you've missed by using the links below.
Yes! So watch Three Things Live, where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn,
and something to discover. Let's go!